Hello dear students, I hope you all are clear with our previous topic, that was number system. Now we will learn about computer softwares. What are the softwares? Softwares are the set of programs that are designed to perform any specific function. किसी particular काम को करने के लिए softwares को डिज़ाइन किया जाता है. What is a program? A program is a set of instructions जिसमें हम set of instructions देते हैं कि कंप्यूटर को step wise कौन सा काम करना है. So a program is a set of instruction and a software is a set of program. And there are mainly two types of software. First is system software and second is application software. Now let us discuss what is system software. A system software is a collection of programs that are designed to control, to operate the processing of our computer. कंप्यूटर के बेसिक ऑपरेशंस के लिए जो सॉफ्टवेयर्स डिज़ाइन किए जाते हैं, जो रिक्वायर्ड है हमारे सिस्टम को रन करने के लिए, दैट आर द सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर्स. एंड दिस सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द कंप्यूटर मैन्युफैक्चरर. जो कंप्यूटर बनाते हैं वही कंप्यूटर के सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर्स को भी डेवलप करते हैं. सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर आर operating system. As you all know, operating system is necessary to run our computer. Device driver, if we are using different type of devices, then we need device driver so that our device work properly. Utility programs, the programs which are made for some specific task, that are the utility programs. Compilers to compile the language of R into the computer language. Interpreter, that are also work in same way. They also compile our language into the system language, but an interpreter compiles a program line by line. Okay. And assembler is also convert high level languages into machine language, or we can say binary language. Next, फीचर ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर, दीज आर क्लोज टू द सिस्टम. क्योंकि ये विद इन द सिस्टम होते हैं तो सिस्टम के सबसे क्लोज हुए. फास्ट इन स्पीड, एज यू कैन सी आर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, हाउ फास्ट इट इज. डिफिकल्ट टू डिज़ाइन बिकॉज आर सिस्टम डिपेंड्स ऑन इट, सो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिज़ाइन अ प्रॉपर सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. Difficult to understand, it is very difficult to understand the working of any system software. Less interactive, we cannot directly interact with any system software. Smaller in size, difficult to manipulate, means taking work from any system software is difficult. Generally written in low level language because they are close to the system, means they must be written in system language, and our system language is low level language, that is binary language, the language of 0 and 1. Next is application software. Application softwares are designed to perform any specific task. These tasks can be any person's special choice. If you want to do painting, then what will you use? Paint. If you want to write any letter, what will you use? MS Word. If you want to make any PPT, what will you use? PowerPoints. These are the specific programs that fulfill your need. Some examples of application software are income tax software, that is in IT department for income tax calculation. Railway reservation software, that is in railway department for railway ticket booking. Microsoft Office suite that we are using, in it very more applications are there. Microsoft Word that you have used to make any letter, to write any document. Microsoft Excel to make report, to do mathematical operations. Microsoft PowerPoint that also you have used for making making PPTs. What are the features of application software? Application softwares are close to the user because we directly work in applications, means it is close to us. Easy to design because we know what work we want from that software, means it is easy to design. More interactive because we communicate with the computer with the help of those softwares that are more interactive. Slow in speed, written in high level language. Each program, each software that we are using, that is written in high level language, and with the help of assembler, compiler, interpreter, these high level language is converted into low level language. Easy to understand. As you can see, we have worked on these application softwares and you know how much easy it is to work on that. Easy to manipulate and use. You can easily know from how and where you can use this application softwares. Bigger in size and require large storage space. The softwares which are specially made for specific purpose, that are big in size. Storage need very high of these type of software. I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.